If you are looking to achieve the most perfect, long lasting edges, this tutorial is for you. Stay tuned. Setting your edges takes a little precision and time. We're starting right out using my most favorite edge control ever. She is Bomb is the brand that I've been using for years. The quality is very consistent and has never changed since the first time I used it. Of course, it's a black owned brand, and the owner is actually from Florida. This is the one product that holds my hair down without any flaking. Over the years, I've actually developed a routine with mine and my clients' edges that works so well because they all come back and ask, "What did you use on my edges?" It lasted for so long. So let's get into it. The key to using edge controls is starting off with a little product. You don't need a whole lot to make it work well. Using a tiny bit of product on clean edges will give you the best result. You're going to take small amounts of gel and smooth it into the area that you're working on. Typically, I apply the gel onto the whole edge area and then I work in sections. Then I take either my edge brush or a small tooth comb and I work the gel through to create the design that works best for the client's hair. Some clients have longer, shorter, sparse, or thick edges, so you have to make it move with the flow of their edges. Also, most of my clients don't want a lot of design because they don't know how to maintain it at home. This is when I hit them with a basic quick C swoop action, like the little swoop de loops. Otherwise, I do some swirls or waves to make sure they look cute and uniform. The way that you keep the hair from moving all over while you're molding the hair down is to basically use your non dominant hand to hold the hair in place while you are swooping with the comb or with your brush. Anything that needs to move gets moved with the brush. Anything that doesn't need to move gets held with the hand. Kind of like you're doing finger waves. Once you've gotten your design set, you want to go back over it with your finger. No extra product and smooth it out. I think that's kind of the key that a lot of people miss because they're moving the hair while it's still wet or the edge control is actually tacky. You have to make sure that it is dry to the touch before you do anything else to it. If it's still sticky, it probably won't set properly and and it'll end up curling and moving. Keep smoothing until the area is completely dry to the touch. Once it's dry and it's smooth through, follow me. Follow me with this. I use a molding mousse to add an extra layer of security. A molding mousse like Magic Fingers or Tropical Roots adds extra hold to styles for wear longevity. It has a tacky layer that is perfect for edges. As a finishing method, I add a small amount and repeat the smoothing action. And I go back and I fix any mistakes that I might have made or make changes to the way the patterning goes. Then I keep smoothing and keep smoothing and keep smoothing until it's dry. This will ensure that I have an extra layer of hold to create more longevity on the design that I'm doing. To finish your edges off and make sure that they last, you tie them down with either a salon neck strip or a breathable satin scarf. Now, the time frame on this portion depends on your hair. Some of my clients' edges can set for 10 to 20 minutes, whereas mine and other clients need an hour or more to set for maximum hold time. Using a breathable scarf allows the hair flow to come through the scarf and set the edges in place. Using this method can pretty much guarantee you about 2 to 3, sometimes all nights wear. But this depends on whether or not you are in the sun or out in extreme heat. In the wintertime, it's pretty much guaranteed to last a lot longer because it's not as hot outside. Remember, there are no edge controls that can combat sweat or moisture. Most are water-based products, so they will automatically dissolve once you add in any form of water, including sweat. I really hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Make sure you leave a comment below and talk with me in the comments about if you have any additional tips, pointers, or if you have tried this method to make your edges give what they were supposed to give. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to like and subscribe. Now, until next time, sunshine. Peace out.